In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Excel. If you need a professional-looking invoice quickly, you don't have to build one from scratch or mess with complex formulas. Excel includes ready-made designs with built-in calculations, so totals, taxes, and balances update automatically as you work. I'll walk you through how to find and open a template so you can get started with confidence. Begin by opening Excel and heading to the File area. You'll find it in the top left corner of the window on most versions of Excel. Clicking File takes you to a dedicated space for creating and managing workbooks, separate from your normal worksheet view. This is where Excel keeps its template gallery, along with options to open existing files and access recent documents. If you're using a different layout or the web version, the file option may look slightly different, but the idea is the same. Use it to reach the built-in templates, not just a blank sheet. Next, locate and select More Templates. This opens the full gallery, which is much broader than the small set you might see on the home screen. The templates gallery is organized and searchable, making it easy to narrow down exactly what you need. You can browse by category, and you'll often find financial and business sections that include invoice options. If you don't immediately see an invoice on the first page, don't worry. More Templates expands the selection and usually includes multiple invoice styles, from simple one-page layouts to more detailed versions with sections for taxes, shipping, and payment terms. Now choose a template that fits your needs. Click the invoice design you like to preview it, then open it to start working. Most invoice templates include placeholders for your business details, your customer's information, an invoice number and date, and a table for line items with quantities, unit prices, and subtotals. Behind the scenes, formulas calculate totals automatically, and many templates include optional fields for taxes or discounts. Pick a layout with the right structure for your workflow. For example, one that supports multiple line items if you bill for several services, or one with a clean, minimalist design if you send concise invoices. It's also helpful to select a template formatted for your local currency and date style to reduce adjustments later. That's it. By using Excel's built-in templates, you can quickly open a polished invoice that's ready for your information and save valuable time on formatting and calculations.